In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import your cryptocurrency transactions into TurboTax. With the growing popularity of cryptocurrency, it's crucial to ensure that your crypto transactions are accurately reported on your tax return. Let's walk through the process step by step, making it as straightforward as possible. First, you'll want to navigate to TurboTax Online for the year 2025. This version is designed to help you with your tax filings for that specific year, so make sure you're on the correct platform. Once you're there, sign into your account if you haven't already. If you're new to TurboTax, you might need to create an account, which is a simple process involving some basic personal information. Now that you're logged in, look for the section labeled Income. This is where you'll begin the process of adding your cryptocurrency transactions. Click on Income to move forward. This section of TurboTax is where you'll report all forms of income, including traditional wages, investments, and, of course, cryptocurrency transactions. Next, within the Income section, you'll see an option for Investments and Savings. Click on this to proceed. This is the area where TurboTax allows you to add various types of investment income, and it's where you'll start the process of entering your crypto trades. As you continue, TurboTax will ask if you sold any investments, including cryptocurrency, during the tax year. You'll want to click Yes here. This confirms that you have transactions to report and allows TurboTax to guide you through the process of importing them. The next step is crucial, linking your crypto account to TurboTax. Depending on where you hold your cryptocurrency, this could be a straightforward process. Many major exchanges have partnerships with TurboTax, allowing for seamless integration. Follow the prompts to connect your exchange account. You may need to authorize TurboTax to access your transaction history. This step ensures that all your trades, sales, and any taxable events are accurately imported. Once your account is linked, TurboTax will automatically pull in your transaction data. Take a moment to review this information. It's essential to verify that all transactions have been imported correctly. Look for any discrepancies or missing data and consult your exchange's records if you find any issues. By following these steps, you can ensure that your cryptocurrency transactions are accurately reported on your TurboTax return. Remember, keeping your tax records in order is not just about compliance. It also helps you better understand your financial standing. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful as you navigate the sometimes tricky world of crypto taxation.